Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet. This is a true 138 Super Sport car. Great car, guys. I actually sold this car, I think it was 10 years ago, to a local gentleman. I think originally bought this car down in Tennessee. He's had it ever since. Unfortunately, he's had some health issues, so he's forced to sell it. But very good car. It's probably about I'm gonna say a 15, 16-year-old restoration, so it is an older resto, but still a very nice car. If there's anything that's a little short, you can nitpick some of the paint stuff. There's some marks in the paint, some touch-ups, some little cracks. But good car, and I'll tell you what, priced right. It's finished in Bolero red. It's got the black vinyl interior in it. It's got a healthy 396 cubic inch engine in it, 400 trans, 12 bolt rear end. The one thing I will tell you is that he just freshened up the engine and the rear. I think he said he spent $26,000 doing. He put some other stuff in it, but he redid the motor, and then he redid the rear end as well. But good looking car. You can see it's got the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Those are 15-inch rallies. It's got the flat caps on it. Neat car. Again, as you walk around it, you can kind of nitpick some stuff like that. Most of some of the trim on it's original. Some has been replaced. You can see this grille, the Chevelle emblems. That stuff's original. I think it's got newer bumpers on it. Good car. One thing I will tell you, this thing absolutely runs and drives excellent. I mean, really hits the road good. Again, there's just some things. There's a little, I think, ding right there in the hood. But good car. Runs out, drives excellent, plenty of power, a lot of fun to drive. This is a magnet, guys. Don't think that it's drilled in. It's got a Sirius radio system. He did that to it. Dash in there's good. Glass on the car is nice. It fits up good. He put a complete custom radio in it. You can see over on that side a little touch-up mark on the paint on the lower. You know, as you can kind of walk around it, it's older paint, and you can pick at it a little bit. But nice, still very nice car. Car's still nice and flat down the sides. Again, BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got 3-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust. So this car sounds great, just beats the ground. New rear bumper. This is a good car, though. I'm telling you, turn the key, point the direction, and go. It runs and drives great. He was sick to sell it. I mean, he just did not want to sell this car, but unfortunately, he was having some surgeries. And good guy, real local guy, really good guy. And like I say, man, he loved this car. Touch up mark there. I like the flat caps with the rallies. It does have front disc brakes on it. Again, healthy 396, guys. Car runs and drives excellent. Brand new dual feed 4-barrel, brand new Summit aluminum intake on it. He just did this. He put the billet serpentine pulley system on it. Billet power steering unit. Does have headers. You can see just put those billet valve covers on it. Billet HEI distributor. Again, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's a 400 trans. He's got a trans cooler out front. Just put this in. Aluminum radiator, still has the shroud. 400 trans. fuel pressure gauge out front. And again, I'm not trying to beat the car to death, guys. We just ship these, I mean, we ship these cars all over the world. And about 80% of them, people just buy them through the video. So I try to show you everything I can. A-pillar chrome is nice. Like I say, the glass is nice. It fits good. Definitely got newer mirrors on it, newer door handles. The window fuzzies are in good shape. New sill plates, bucket seats, console. It's got an aftermarket tach and gauges, got a complete custom sound system in it. Headliner's in good shape. 45,451. I don't think that's original, guys. Got an aftermarket tach, aftermarket gauges, all custom radio in it. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust, 400 trans, 12-bolt rear. It's got a 4-link rear suspension on it, big rear sway bar, 323 limited slip rear gear. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Of course, we got the car up in the air, got some pictures of the bottom of the car, very nice underneath. Seats look good. Owner's manual's in the glove box. Dash is good. Steering wheel's pretty darn nice. We'll have Jordy fire it up here. Again, good sound and big block. Thing runs out excellent, like I say, drives outstanding. Fuel gauge works. I think all your other, actually everything's down there, Jordy. Yep. Tach works. Give it a little rev, Jordy. Hear the radio in there working. Blower motor, Jordy. Radio does work. Don't know. Yep. Blower motor works. I'm not real sure how that works. You know how that works?
What? This?
The Sirius.
Oh. Yep.
Yeah. All right. There you go. Don't know much about Sirius radio, to be honest with you guys. I am not a radio guy. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. If you subscribe to it, every time I post a video, you'll get a notification. Or as always, guys, there's the old-fashioned way. Pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Again, this is a real 138 Super Sport car.